I'm going to show you how to use the Canon 70D as a video camera. Okay, apart from being a photography device, the Canon 70D DSLR actually can record video as well. Okay, and that's quite a pretty decent job. Okay, so now in order to use it as a video camera, you have to first switch the video, the mode, the camera mode to video. Okay, and then at the mode down, the recommended setting is P mode. P mode is a semi-auto mode. Okay, so when you're in P mode, the camera will automatically adjust the shutter speed and aperture for you. You just need to focus and frame. If you're an advanced user, you can try using the full manual mode M. Okay, but you have to configure all the settings yourself. Okay, so when these two conditions are met, then when I press on the menu button, okay, the video menu will show. Okay, there are two video menu. This is video menu 1, this is video menu 2. Okay, so the very first thing, every time you draw the camera, load the camera, you should go to movie record size, just double check, make sure it's this setting. Okay, 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution, Full HD, and then we're in Singapore, so it's 25 frames per second. IPB is a high compression mode. It allows the camera to record for longer, and this is a recommended setting and is suitable for most purposes. Okay, however, if you are using the camera for high-end project, you want the highest quality possible, then you should switch to all-eye. Okay, so I'm just going to use IPB for now. Okay, then should go to sound recording. Make sure it's set to auto. Okay, unless you are using an external microphone, it should always be in auto. Okay, then I'm going to go to the time code setting. Okay, make sure count is record run. Record run means when I press the start recording button, the time code will run. When I press stop, it will stop. Okay, free run means the time code will always be running. Okay, then when you first load the camera, you should reset the time code as well. So I'm going to go to start time setting. I'm going to reset. Okay, press OK. Then just double check movie record count and movie play count is time code. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to format the camera. So I go to tool menu number 1. Okay, select format card. And then format the card. Okay, always format the card when you first use the camera. Okay, so now I'm ready to start recording. I just half press the shutter button, okay, to go back to the recording mode. Okay, then to record, I just press the start recording button here, just press. Okay, so you can see the time code just now was 0, now it's running. Okay, then there's a red circle there to indicate that you are recording. Okay, so to stop, just press toggle the button, the same button, and now you'll stop. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you is how to play back the footage. So you just need to press the playback button over here. Okay, then you can press here to play back. Okay, to pause it, just press the screen again. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to half press the shutter button to go back to the recording mode. Okay, there are several ways of using the autofocus. Okay, I'm going to show you the recommended setting. There's this Q button here on the screen. It stands for quick menu, so I'm going to press it. Okay, this is where you can set the autofocus method. Okay, the first is face detection plus tracking. This is the recommended setting. This is area and this is spot focusing. Okay, we're just going to use this one. Okay, so let me just put my hand into the frame. Okay, it's not focusing. Never mind. Let me just go over, use my face. Okay, so hopefully the camera is focusing on my face. Okay, so this is face detection plus tracking. Okay, another method is to simply touch where you want to focus. Okay, so you can see now it's tracking. Okay, remember there's a minimal focal distance of 39 centimeter for the kit lens. So don't go too near, it cannot really focus. Okay, the third method is to use the half press method, the photography method. So just half press and it will focus. Okay, so when do you use autofocus for this camera? You use it when, usually use it when it's an unscripted show. Okay, for example, like a documentary or other feature show. So you don't know when the talent or profile is going to move. Okay, so usually we want to use autofocus. Okay, but if this is a scripted show, it's recommended that you try to use manual focus for greater accuracy. Okay, so how do you use manual focus with this camera? Okay, the first thing you need to do is to change the camera mode from autofocus to manual focus. I'm going to switch it over. Okay, then by the way, the stabilizer should always be on, regardless of autofocus or manual focus. It will help you stabilize your footage. Okay, so now we're in the manual focus mode. You can see there's a new button here. This button here is a magnifying glass button. Okay, so basically you click on it, then you can select where you want to focus. Okay, we're not done yet. Then you need to press the zoom in button. Can you see the zoom in button over here? Okay, so this is called the punching method because when I press this button, it will zoom in by 5 times. Okay, if I toggle one more time, it will go in by 10 times. Okay, so then I'm going to adjust the focus ring. Okay, so when it's focused, then I just toggle the button one more time to punch out. Okay, so now I will know that my subject is in focus. Okay, remember to bring spare batteries because the battery life is only 1 hour and 20 minutes for each battery. Okay, 1 hour, 20 minutes of continuous recording. So make sure you bring some spare batteries. All right.